So some of the impact that Avalanche has had on my company from the SEO standpoint, this is part of this is having a plan, understanding where we are currently, doing an honest assessment, and really going to where we're trying to get to. I want as high visibility as possible and meeting scheduled for my salespeople. And that was super important. And we have spent a lot of time. We've had a lot of honest conversations. We could see traffic increasing, and then there was an honest moment that they had to me and said, "Listen, your website is the thing that's holding you back from being able to increase traffic to be able to increase the customer experience when they're experiencing your site." So we've just gone through a website renovation, and I'm so proud of it. It's Our customers love it. It's so easy to use. It's beautiful. And then the customer experience is so smooth and so effortless that we're getting a lot of business, a lot of additional traffic. Um, and Google likes it too. We're playing with the Google gods, and they seem to be enjoying the ride. And you know, again, if I have any problems along the way, things come up. We want to add things to the website. I don't have to wait forever. Typically, they're done the same day. And that speaks volumes to me for being able to have that kind of communication with my team that we can really move the ball forward and everyone succeed.